The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted our lives in unprecedented ways, but with the vaccine rollout and declining cases, many countries are lifting restrictions and declaring an end to the public health emergency. However, this does not mean that we are completely out of the woods yet. In this lesson, we will explore what comes next after the end of the COVID-19 public health emergency. Objectives: understand the current state of the COVID-19 pandemic. Discuss the lifting of restrictions and what it means. Identify ongoing challenges and concerns. Consider the lessons learned and how to prepare for the future. Introduction: the COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on our lives for over a year. With the vaccine rollout and declining cases, many countries are starting to lift restrictions and declare an end to the public health emergency. While this is a positive development, it is important to understand what comes next. Body. The current state of the COVID-19 pandemic. Brief overview of the current state of the pandemic globally and in your country, region. Discuss vaccination rates and their impact on the decline in cases and deaths. Mention new variants and their potential to affect the pandemic moving forward. 2. Lifting of restrictions and what it means. Discuss the lifting of restrictions in your country, region, and how it is impacting daily life. Identify the benefits and drawbacks of lifting restrictions. Discuss the importance of continued vigilance in preventing the spread of the virus. 3. Ongoing challenges and concerns. Identify ongoing challenges and concerns related to the pandemic, such as vaccine hesitancy, unequal access to vaccines, and new variants. Discuss the impact of the pandemic on mental health and well-being. Identify areas where more research and attention are needed. Lessons learned and preparing for the future. Identify lessons learned from the pandemic, such as the importance of public health infrastructure, preparedness, and equity. Discuss how these lessons can inform future pandemic preparedness and response efforts. Identify steps that individuals and communities can take to prepare for future pandemics. Conclusion: the end of the COVID-19 public health emergency is a positive development, but it is important to recognize that the pandemic is not over yet. There are ongoing challenges and concerns that must be addressed, and we must continue to be vigilant in preventing the spread of the virus. By learning from the lessons of the pandemic and preparing for the future, we can emerge stronger and better prepared for whatever challenges lie ahead.